into some ice caves off the West Glacier Trail. There's Spencer heading in there. These are some new caves that just opened up recently. Pretty good sized ones. What do you think, Spencer? Well, we found the ice caves out here, but they're not good enough for us, so we're gonna go find some new ice caves. They're pretty good, but we want to find more. All right, Spencer?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Find more ice caves.
And claim them as our own. So we're just trekking our way up here, you know, as we do, and see some little spikes here that are probably some old spikes from some rock climbers a while back, and probably using ropes and stuff, but we don't do that. We're too cool for that. We're just too stupid. Either way, we've made it up all the steep rock stuff and got some ice fields behind us here. We were just gonna hike way down there and then the ice cave that we initially went in, but then we decided to hike 100 miles up here just for the heck of it. So, all right, we're still out here. Now we're on the glacier. We climbed enough rocks, so now we're just climbing across the glacier. And yeah, there's this deep, dark pit over there. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but we're gonna hike over there, see if there's like some gremlins living in there or something. But yeah, we're just hiking along the ice fields now. We're making this is our new home. We made it in here. This is our new ice cave.
Isn't that pretty dope?
You can see a waterfall way out there. That's the cool little one. Yeah. Not really deep, but we accomplished our mission of finding some more ice caves.
Pretty deep.
Yeah, it's pretty slick looking. All right, Spencer. You gonna dive on in there?
Send.
Gotta take a little bath while we're up here. Gonna start our descent down the rock, so this might be the last you ever see of us. This might be it. We hiked a good ways back over there though. Our new route here isn't as easy as we thought it was gonna be.
It's about as easy as I thought. It's not like this is a sketchy portion, but it's not the whole thing.
Yeah, like once we get down there, it'll be a little better, but just right through here, there's not much to hold on to, and this is this really slick, mossy, wet crap over here, so, and like, it's pretty steep. So I let Spencer go first. If he can't make it, I definitely can't, so we're just hanging out here while he's just inching his way down there. Our next little route worked. We made it down this kind of slippery, steep stuff, and now it's more kind of loose rocks, so looks like we'll be able to get back down to the trail down there, no problem. We survived the on-foot portion of our trek back. We got to the bikes that we had stashed in the woods, but gotta go up this crap. Spencer's gonna bike it, it looks like, but I might just go for the old push because that looks like a lot of work. Yeah, man down up there. We made it.
Yep.
Back to civilization. What time is it, like 10?
10:30 probably.
Let's see. 10:21. Cool. Well, perks of being in Alaska, you know. It's almost 10:30 and pretty much bright as day out here. Look at that sky, got some pink up there. Yeah, solid little sun today.